everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered what ITSM is and why almost every professional at department talks about it, then this video is for you. By the end of this video, you'll understand what ITSM means, why it's important, the core processes involved, and a simple real-world example of how it works. Let's get started. What is ITSM? First of all, what does ITSM stand for? ITSM means it's service management. Simply put, it's the way organizations plan, deliver, support, and improve the services they provide to employees and customers. Instead of fixing problems randomly, ITSM gives its teams a structured process to ensure services are reliable, efficient, and consistently improving. ITSM in simple words. So let's simplify it even further. Think of ITSM as a system that helps its teams organize everything they do. Whether it's responding to technical issues, fulfilling service requests, managing changes, or solving recurring problems, ITSM keeps everything organized so nothing falls through the cracks. It's all about providing better support through well-defined processes. Why ITSM matters. Now, why is ITSM so important? There are several key benefits. First, it improves the quality of its services. Second, it increases user satisfaction because problems are handled more consistently. Third, it improves efficiency by giving its teams standardized procedures. It also reduces risk whenever systems need to be updated or changed. And finally, it helps organizations achieve their overall business goals by ensuring technology supports the business effectively. Core ITSM processes. Let's look at the 5 core ITSM processes. Incident management. This focuses on restoring services as quickly as possible whenever something unexpectedly goes wrong. For example, if a company's email server suddenly stops working, incident management helps get it back online quickly. Service request management. Not every request is a problem. Sometimes users simply need something new, like software installation, password resets, or access to a shared folder. These routine requests are handled through service request management. Problem management. If the same issue keeps happening repeatedly, teams don't just keep fixing it. Problem management investigates the root cause and works on a permanent solution. The goal is preventing future incidents. Change management. Every environment changes over time. New software gets installed, servers are upgraded, and security patches are applied. Change management ensures these updates happen safely with minimal disruption. Knowledge management. Every issue solved becomes valuable information. Knowledge management stores solutions, guides, and documentation so future problems can be resolved faster. This saves both time and effort. Simple example. Let's see how ITSM works in a real-life situation. Imagine an employee can't log into their company account. First, they report the issue. Next, a support ticket is created. The service desk receives and investigates the ticket. Once the issue is fixed, the employee regains access. Finally, the solution is documented in the knowledge base, so if someone experiences the same problem later, the support team already knows how to solve it. This simple workflow shows how ITSM creates a structured approach to its support. Who uses ITSM? Many different people use ITSM. Service desk analysts use it to manage support tickets. Its support teams rely on it to solve technical issues. System administrators use it to maintain infrastructure. Managers use it to monitor service performance and improve operations. And ultimately, business users benefit because they receive faster and more reliable support. Beginner tip. If you're just starting out, here's one important tip. Learn the difference between these 5 terms. Incident, something is broken and needs fixing. Service request, someone needs a standard service or access. Problem, the underlying cause of recurring incidents. Change, a planned modification to its service. Knowledge, documented solutions and best practices. Understanding these concepts will make learning ITSM much easier. To wrap things up, ITSM isn't just about fixing computers. It's about delivering high-quality services through organized processes, effective support, and continuous improvement. Whether you're preparing for a career, studying for certifications like ITIL, or simply curious about how professional teams operate, understanding ITSM is an excellent place to start. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who want to learn more about its service management.